Hello everyone, welcome to another video on this channel. We're going to talk about Palantir again. Now, this stock is my favorite stock. It's my favorite stock to watch, to talk about on this channel, and especially because we were right. The last videos, we perfectly caught the bottoms and we also caught the top today. So if you haven't watched that video, or if you haven't watched videos on Palantir, please watch them back, or please subscribe on my channel to get the latest updates on this stock. So in short, we perfectly called the bottom right here at $16. I told you that if we drop below the 20-day, please watch that $16 bottom. We hit it, then we gapped up, and then I also already said watch the $20 top. That's huge resistance, and it has shown to be perfect trade from 16 to 20, a 25% gain. So congrats on everyone who took that profit. Now, on the longer term, I said the $20 is going to be the big resistance. Now, why is that the case? Now, if you're going to zoom out, you know that the previous supports are now the new resistances. And if you look at these levels right here, at the low in March 2021, and also if you look at the level in July 2021, the two big support levels, I mean, we briefly broke below support in May, but then gained above that. But these levels are the critical support levels from 2021, and those are now the resistance levels. And as you can see, that's at $20 and $20.50, and that was what I explained, the big resistance. So anywhere between that 20 and 2050 area, so it's going to be like this yellow area, is going to be heavy resistance, and it's going to be hard to break above that on the long term. So be careful, watch that level also, because we hit it now and we already dropped around 75, 80 cents from those highs. Be aware that if we're going to get lower, we might have a difficult time breaking that in the long run. However, of course, if volume keeps being this high and if the interest in the stock keeps being this high, I fully expect this year, as I said, my target was $25 this year. I fully expect that to be reached. Now, it's very funny, but on Friday, and also a reason why we gapped up, there was like an analyst, and he said Palantir is the Messi of AI stocks. I have my target, and the analyst said I'm gonna have a target of $25. Now that's exactly my target, our target as well. So I think he was watching our channel. I think he was, because that's exactly what I think Palantir is going to. Why? Because that's the average, the median, basically the middle part of the period in 2021 where I think the stock was fairly valued, like right here around $25. And I fully think that this was mainly because all the markets dropped and the interest rates were going up. But now, given the fact that AI has proven itself even way more than in 2021, I fully expect we should get back to that level at least this year. And then for 2024, I fully expect Palantir to attack the all-time highs in the long term. Also, of course, when they can prove their earnings, which are coming up next week. We're going to do many videos on that as well. Now, looking a little bit on shorter term time frame, so we still have that huge resistance at the $20, which I explained, and the $20.50. Now, if we are going down again, which is of course a possibility, we should always keep that as a possibility. I can see the stock trying to close this gap, the gap up from today to Friday. And also, still, I would fully focus on the 20-day and even on the $16. If markets are going to turn down or if earnings are going to be bad, please watch that level again. But for now, I do see that the stock is still in that upward trend. And with the 20-day coming up as well, I wouldn't be surprised to see Palantir going to be touching maybe the 18s to 70s and the 20-day moving average is there as well. So that would be in this week or next week. But I do think that we're mainly going to see some consolidation the upcoming days with earnings coming up, or maybe even more people taking position, expecting good earnings. That can be a little tricky. We're coming back to that later this week. Please, in the comments, let me know what you think. How are you going to play until the earnings? Are you going to add to your position? Are you maybe going to sell a little, take some profits? Let me know in the comments. And also, please let me know if you want to see other stocks being discussed on this channel. Also, please don't forget to leave a like and a subscribe, and then I hope to see you all in the next video.